GER Detect, in cooperation with its exclusive agent.
Today we have got a GER Golden Hunter, and we will be unboxing that device and see what all the features are along with this device. Okay, this is the Golden Hunter for long range usage from GER. So as we open the box, we have got a antenna. This is the main antenna, and additionally 2 antennas. You get a warranty card like this with the manufacturing ID, serial number, and the contact details of GER. Okay, this is the holder equipment. This is the main panel. We'll just connect this item and see how it works basically. We have just switched on the device. Okay, we have just switched on the long range detector. We have connected all the antennas that are required. There are basically 3 antennas. One is this 2 antennas, and one we can extend this antenna length. Okay, first we have to select the language. You have got arrow keys up and down, you can move. Select English language. Then what exactly are you willing to search? Gold, gold nugget, silver, cavity, diamonds. Okay, just select the equipment that you want to search. Then select the range that you want: 1000 meters, 1500 meters, 2000 meters. Maximum distance you can search is 2000 meters. Okay, then it will start for searching. So when it is searching, you are supposed to hold the product like this. Basically right now we are in the office, so it will not give you accurate results, but this is how you are supposed to hold this equipment. This is how it will search. When you are starting to search, keep yourself in the northern direction so that it will start searching accordingly. Okay. These are all the antennas that are connected, and this is how we are going to hold it. So it will give a free movement to the device for searching. In whichever direction the machine is taking you, you are supposed to move in that direction. Okay, sir. You can also get all charging along with that, and a 2-year warranty card, which is just now we have seen. Thank you for watching. For more any inquiries and product details, please call 9000 977 830. Thanks for watching this video. Have a nice day.